Are your outfits making you look older than you are? Welcome back. You loved part 1, so here we are with the part 2. 10 more style mistakes that might be aging your look and, of course, how to fix them. I'm breaking it down with real-life examples and easy swaps to make your wardrobe modern and flattering. Let's get into it. Shapeless sweaters. Let's start with shapeless sweaters. Sure, they are comfortable, but they don't do your body any favors. These oversized drop-shoulder designs tend to overwhelm your figure, making you look older and frumpy. To fix this, opt for a mock neck sweater, one with a slightly cropped length that hits just at your waistline. Pair it with high-waisted pants or skirts to emphasize your silhouette. It is still cozy, but looks way more polished and put together. And here's another example on how you can actually save an ill-fitting sweater. I use a belt to make it look shorter, and it gives out totally different vibe and better proportions. As I often say, it's not about the clothes in most cases, but the way we wear them. Pairing colors with black. Pairing bright or pastel colors with black is a common style mistake. Black isn't neutral, especially for the ones with lighter hair and skin. In addition, it often looks too harsh. The strong contrast between black and softer tones can create a dated, unbalanced look. Instead, swap black for navy blue. Navy is softer and blends beautifully with brighter tones or pastel shades. It still looks elegant but feels fresher and more modern. Plus, navy is just as versatile as black, so it's a great neutral to be incorporated into everyone's wardrobe. 2 girly outfits. This is a classic mistake, wearing outfits that are overly a little bit too girly or juvenile. This miniskirt and button-down combination gives off school uniform vibes, which doesn't read as sophisticated or even age-appropriate in some cases. So instead, layer a blue button-down shirt under a sweater for a more polished touch. And we are pairing this miniskirt with knee-high boots. So this combination is feminine without feeling overly youthful, and it has that sophisticated modern edge that works for many different occasions. Now, on the other side, some outfits might feel a little bit too masculine. Masculine-inspired outfits are really trendy, but going too far, like wearing a black suit with black top and heavy boots, can feel boxy, unflattering, and overly severe. It can strip away the softness and balance needed for a stylish look. So instead, opt for a tailored blazer in a rich, flattering color, like for example, dark green. A cinched waist adds some definition and structure, giving the outfit a more feminine but still modern feel. Pair it with sleek shoes to strike the perfect balance between masculine tailoring and feminine elegance. Too conservative. I really wanted this outfit to work, as a long line vest is really a very flattering piece, especially for pear-shaped ladies. But I am not too sure. It looks a little bit conservative, it also lacks energy and come across as outdated. So we swapped for a burgundy miniskirt with matching tights, which adds color and energy to the outfit and still helps to maintain really nice, elongating proportions. Now, a bit of black can work here because of the print. And in order to change up the proportions, we paired it with an oversized black blazer. This mix of conservative and playful pieces creates a more dynamic look. 6. Tight and short outfits. This type of outfit is a classic style pitfall. Short and tight pieces worn together often feel tacky and unbalanced. While bold patterns like animal print can be fun, but pairing them with a miniskirt can quickly veer into trying too hard territory. So the style tip here is to add an oversized blazer. It tones down the loudness of the print, balances the proportion, and adds a modern, sophisticated edge to the outfit. The key is balance, so pair bold, fitted pieces with something structured and relaxed for a chic, wearable look. 7. Overly textured pieces. Overly textured knitwear like pom-poms or chunky embellishments might seem really playful, but they often end up looking bulky and outdated. These kind of pieces can overwhelm your frame and make your outfit look cluttered. And this jumper is quite cute, but I wanted to show you the difference. Instead, choose a clean, plain knit. It is timeless, versatile, and pairs beautifully with almost anything. And if you want to add interest, you can play with accessories or layering instead of relying on heavy textures. Outdated lengths. Dress lengths and silhouettes like this tulip style with bell sleeve can feel frumpy and out of date. So we are upgrading this look with a midi camisole dress. The longer length elongates the silhouette while the simple design feels really modern. A cardigan over it feels really very cozy, yet looks very chic and works for both casual and dressed up occasions. Lack of sharp elements. Outfits like this often feel unfinished because they lack structure and focal points. While cozy, they can look sloppy and miss the mark when it comes to modern style. So, add sharp elements like a crisp white shirt under the sweater for layering, a belt to define the waistline, and swap the boots for clean white sneakers to lighten the look. These small tweaks add polish, create focal points, and bring the whole outfit together in a fresh, contemporary way. And there you have it! More style mistakes and how to fix them effortlessly. Let me know in the comments down below which mistake you have made and how you are planning to fix it. As per usual, if you loved this episode, please don't forget to leave a like and your comment and subscribe for more style tips. And tomorrow, you guys, I'll be going live together with beautiful Giedre and we'll be looking into workwear pieces. So don't you miss a chance to chat with us and to have a great time during this live styling shopping session. Thank you so much for watching. Keep shining, stay classy, and ciao ciao!